Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best roller skaters that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Pacer Comet Children's Roller Skate. These white-colored roller skates are designed for the modern kids who love fun and speed. They comprise a human-made material that provides excellent support and comfort and is also resistant to wear and tear. The inline skater come in a boot styling for improved support and protection and have 54mm urethane wheels designed for indoor and outdoor use. Also, the roller skates are delivering a smooth ride courtesy of the high-quality 608Z accelerator bearings. The toe stops enhance protection and comfort while the laces firmly secure the skater on foot. And as it appears to be the trend, they also feature colorful lighting for added beauty. Moving on at number 4, we have the Play Wheels Disney Frozen Classic Quad Roller Skates. These classic-looking quad roller skater are among the versatile on the market. Their auto-adjust design makes it easy to vary the size to suit different kids, and a single pair will see your kid through different ages. You don't need to keep buying different pairs as they grow. You only need to press the included button to adjust the roller skates from size 1 up to size 4. Moreover, they are made of impact-resistant hard-wearing polymer plastic and feature 54mm by 32mm PVC wheels. The pair is very steady on most surfaces, rides smoothly with little noise, and can handle the weight and impacts very well. It's suitable for different terrains and secures nicely on the wearer's foot. At number 3, we have the Chicago Boys Sidewalk Roller Skate. Made from high-quality human-made materials, this pair of roller skates is perfect for your grandson, son, brother, or nephew. It's acknowledged as one of the best roller skates for kids and is also very popular. The high-top design provides excellent coverage for extra support and protection and fits securely on different feet sizes. In addition to that, the accessory is suitable for newbie and seasoned skaters and features high-quality lace for proper harnessing. It boasts of premium urethane wheels for a firm grip on different surfaces and also absorbs vibrations and destock pretty, where the excellent performance is boosted by the quality bearings. At number 2, we have the Chicago Girls Sidewalk Roller Skate. If you plan to gift your daughter, sister, or niece the best roller skates, then this one from Chicago Skates are perfect. The girls' skates come in a simple but elegant white color and will look amazing on girls of different ages. They are made using a top-quality man-made material to handle everyday use, the elements, impacts, shock, bangs, and regular cleaning. Additionally, they are very lightweight but provide good protection and support. And like other top sellers, they feature smooth rolling oversized wheels for natural movement even on rough or bumpy surfaces. The tough Velcro ensures they remain firm on foot. And finally at number 1, we have the Roller Derby Firestar Youth Girls Quad Roller Skates. The best of the best roller skater for kids today fall to the ones from Roller Derby. These high-quality boot-styled roller skater guarantee your child of a good time out skating. They are also very stylish and modern-looking and comfortable to wear. The skates come in a high profile for a better fit and protection and have a nicely padded and warm interior for extra comfort. Moreover, the intuitive Velcro brand closure keeps them well secured on foot, whereas the sturdy aluminum provides good support and balance of different surfaces. They ride smoothly even on rough areas thanks to the 54mm urethane wheels and accelerator 608Z bearings.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.